Good morning. It is a glorious morning here next to but not on the coast. I didn't get to camp on Palombaggia beach, so I'll plan to visit that today, and then also onto the citadel town village of Bonifacio, all being well. Just been online and picked up the best news. I'm going to have a warm showers host in 2 days time, so I'm going to get showered. Maybe I'll get a home-cooked Corsican meal, maybe laundry, but for now just another Mediterranean bath. Oh, it's chilly. Polishing off the last of my French flan in the sun on a gorgeous beach with a shower coming. Feeling pretty awesome right now. Problem after problem right now. Broken belt. I've still got my original belt, though it's done 22,000. It's showing a lot of signs of wear, which is why I got it switched out in Italy. So this one's done, it's basically just been around Tunisia. It's done 2,000 kilometers. What a disappointment. Here is where the frame opens to let the belt in. Here goes nothing. Never tried this before. Oh, look at that. This is going to need to come off so it can go around here. This might need to be a two-person job. No, come on. Yes. Oh, yes! Nearly forgot to screw the frame back together. Oops. It's all well and good, but now I don't have a spare until I get to England. So embarrassed that people think I can't cycle up this right now. But I'm nervous. With 1,500 kilometers between me and my spare, I'm going to have to take all the climbs very gingerly from here on. So once again, like in Bastia, I've been left with no time to see the place. Blooming citadel that I broke my belt trying to get to see, I haven't even really been able to see. It's time to go and find a camp. This is the road, just out of the sake of interest. I guess I was feeling pretty strong, it is quite steep. Ah! Bonjour. First proper challenge, I'm so nervous. I'm accidentally cattle herding. Everybody relax. I'm friendly. Just let me past. Bonsoir. It's too late to reach the beach that faces the sunset, regrettably, but this one will do. I'll even have a little game of football all by myself if I want. It's almost a full moon. Tough day. I don't want to talk about it, but fortunately I do have some French cheese, bread and wine, so the day is ending well. Santé.